Today, we're doing multi-step equations. Okay, remember you can adjust the speed of the video. Okay, but here's what you need to know about multi-step equations. Simplify. Okay, now remember, simplify is what we do when there's no equal sign, right? Simplifying is when we're combining like terms and we're distributing, right? We can use order of operations if there's no variables. Okay, so we simplify both sides first. So remember, again, simplifying, we can distribute, we can combine like terms, we can use order of operations. I ran out of space. Okay, then we solve. Okay, remember when we're solving, we're getting the variable by itself. Okay, so first we simplify both sides, then we get the variable by itself. All right, so here's an example. 3x minus 7 plus 2x equals 28. Okay, now remember, we simplify both sides first. Okay, so when I look, right, I'm going to put a line, and what I notice is, oh, there's really nothing to simplify over here. This is just the number 28. Is there something to simplify over here? Yeah, there is. There's like terms, right? So I'm going to do 3x and 2x are like terms. Notice I'm underlining. When I underline, I catch this plus sign. This negative 7 doesn't have any like terms. So when I combine 3x plus 2x, I get 5x. And then I'm bringing down minus 7. Okay, now what I'm checking is, are both sides fully simplified? Is there anything else I can do? Can I combine like terms here? Can I distribute here? What about over here? Nope, nothing else. So now I can go ahead and get x by itself. This is when I start adding to both sides, right? Or subtracting from both sides, or multiplying, whatever it is I'm going to do on both sides. Okay, but I don't do this until I have both sides fully simplified. So then I'm going to go ahead and add 7 to both sides to get rid of minus 7. And I'm going to divide by 5 to get x by itself. And I get x equals 7. Okay, so you can see here, look, this is a two-step equation. So we already know how to do that. There was just one step to get there. Okay, let's look at a longer one, but I want you to see that even the longer one really doesn't have anything that you don't know how to do already. So look, this is super long. So copy it carefully, 7 parentheses 2x plus 1 minus 3 parentheses x minus 5. And look, I'm even going to put something on the other side too, because I want you to see that even though it's long, it's not anything that's unfamiliar to you. Okay, so remember, we simplify both sides first. So over here, let's take a look. What can we do? Oh, look, we can distribute here, and then we're actually going to end up combining like terms as well. So let's start by distributing. 7 times 2x is 14x. 7 times 1 is 7. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and negative times negative is positive. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, what am I doing over here? I notice over here there's actually no variable, right? So I'm actually just going to use order of operations here. There's no variable. So 7 squared is what I'm going to do first. Exponents first. And I'm going to bring down minus 5. Okay, over here I can still simplify, right? I can combine my like terms. These are like terms, these are like terms. Okay, so 14x minus 3x. That's 11x. 7 plus 15, that's 22, and you can feel free to use your calculator for all this. And then over here, I'm going to simplify over here. 49 minus 5 is 44. Okay, so now, look, now it looks just like this one, right? Looks like a two-step equation. So now, look, now I've simplified both sides. Here, it took me 2 steps to simplify. Here, it took me 2 steps to simplify. Okay, look, like over here, look, I had to simplify 1 step here, and I didn't have anything to simplify here, so I just moved it down. Okay, that's fine. Sometimes that happens. But now I'm ready to go ahead and get x by itself. First, with adding and subtracting on both sides, right? Same here. This time I had to add. Over here, I had to subtract. And now dividing to get x by itself. Okay, and there's my answer. Okay, you're going to go ahead and work on the next 4 problems down here below.